Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2040 BMW 5 Series Smart Key. Programmed Smart Key, what we need to prepare for is K518 Pro OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new Smart Key. Now plug in the OBD communication cable.
Select IMO and remote. BMW. From type. Select CAS4 CAS4 Plus. Select method to OBD. Read the key data. Click OK according to the prompts. Turn on the ignition switch and click OK. Click OK. 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 Need to pre-process the current vehicle. Select pre-process CAS4. Click OK according to the prompts. Please follow the prompts. OK. Turn on the ignition switch. Pre-processing. Pre-process complete. Click OK. Complete. OK. We read the key information again. Confirm that the pre-processing is complete. OK. Turn on the ignition switch. Information reads successfully. OK. OK. No pre-processing is required. Click OK. Select making dealer key. This function is used to generate dealer key. Click OK. Turn on the ignition switch and turn on the hazard warning lights. Click OK. Select blank key. Select key slot generation. Select have original car key. Hold the original car key close to the coil. Click OK. OK. Put the new key into the card slot. OK. Follow the prompts. OK. Generate successful. OK. Now let's try it. Can the key drive normally? New key, step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. The original car key, step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key was successfully started. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. Original car key lock car. Unlock. New key lock car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2040 BMW 5 Series. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.